What are you doing? Huh? I think you took over someone's spots. Where's that tongue? Where's that tongue?